Hello students, everyone likes delicious foods. Close your eyes now and think of your favorite food. No doubt you are able to remember the taste of that flavorsome food, right? This memory of the taste gives us an urge to enjoy that particular food again. Do you know how we remember the taste of these foods? The taste buds which are located on our tongue senses the taste and sends signals to the brain. Our brain helps to differentiate the taste and store them as a memory. This will enable us to recall the taste of a particular food when we see it in the future. Our tongue can sense sweet, salty, sour and bitter taste. Do you know what substance gives some food bitter taste and some sour taste? Let's learn in detail about the substances which give food this taste.
All of you might have tasted lemon juice, orange juice, and maybe vinegar, right? Do you remember the taste of these? They taste sour. The substance which gives sour taste to these food are called acids. The chemical nature of acid is acidic. The word acid comes from a Latin word acere, which means sour. The acid present in lemon and orange juices are natural acids. Let's understand the type of acids present in different food items. Vinegar is acetic acid. Acetic acid is a commercially important acid which is used in the manufacture of plastics and insecticides. Vinegar is commonly used in households. Ant sting contains formic acid. Ants don't bite literally. Instead, they release formic acid into our skin that causes the burning sensation. Orange and lemon contain citric acid. Citric acid is a natural preservative. Curd contains lactic acid. Spinach contains oxalic acid. Oxalic acid is used to clean the rust and ink stains. Indian gooseberry or amla contains ascorbic acid. This ascorbic acid is actually vitamin C. Tamarind, grapes and unripe mangoes contain tartaric acid. Tartaric acid is used as an antioxidant and it is used in pharmaceuticals to improve the taste of oral medicines. All these are natural acids. Have you tried tasting baking soda? It is bitter in taste. In absence of sour taste, we can assume it lacks acids. So in the absence of sour taste, we can assume the food lacks acids. If you rub baking soda solution between fingers, it feels soapy. The substances which are bitter in taste and are soapy on touching are known as bases. The chemical nature of base is basic. Let's look into different bases. Lime water is a solution of calcium hydroxide in water. This calcium hydroxide is a base. It is a white, odorless powder. Calcium hydroxide is used in paper production, sewage treatment, construction, and food processing. Window cleaner contains ammonium hydroxide. It is a colorless liquid. Ammonium hydroxide is used as a cleaning agent and sanitizer in household and industrial cleaners. Soap contains sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. It is not practical to taste every item and identify whether it is an acid or base. Some substances can cause harm if we handle them carelessly. To test whether an item is an acid or base, we use some substances called indicators. Indicators change their color when added to an acid or base. It will give different colors for acids and bases. Turmeric, litmus, China rose petals are some naturally occurring indicators. Let's learn about the litmus. Litmus is a natural dye. It is available in red and blue color. It is the most commonly used indicator. It is extracted from lichens. Are you familiar with lichens? Lichens are symbiotic relationship between an algae and a fungus. They grow on rocks, soil, glasses, etc. Fungus cannot synthesize their own food through photosynthesis as they lack chlorophyll. So it depends upon the food which is produced by the algae. That's why that relationship is called a symbiotic relationship. We can extract litmus from these lichens. I already mentioned that litmus paper is available in red and blue colors. If we dip a blue litmus paper into an acidic solution, it turns red. Here you can see this beaker contains acid, and if we dip a blue litmus paper into this acid, it will immediately change its color to red. If we dip a red litmus paper into a basic solution, it turns blue. In this beaker there is a base, and if we dip a red litmus paper into this base, it will turn into blue color. But there are solutions which will not change the color of the litmus paper to blue or red. These are called neutral solutions. They are neither acidic nor basic. Water and blood are examples of neutral solutions. They are neither acidic nor basic. If we add baking soda solution on red litmus paper, it turns to blue as baking soda is basic. If we add lemon juice to blue litmus paper, it turns to red as lemon juice is acidic. Turmeric is obtained from a plant. It contains yellow dye. Turmeric can be used as natural indicator. Turmeric turns to reddish or deep brown in a basic medium and remains unaffected in acidic or neutral medium. In basic medium, turmeric turns to red color, and in acidic medium or in neutral medium, turmeric remains unaffected. Let's see how we can make a turmeric paper at home. First, take a spoonful of turmeric and add a little water and make a paste. Deposit this paste on a filter paper or blotting paper and dry it. Onto this turmeric paper, add a few drops of soap solution. We can observe the turmeric paper turns red in color. This is because soap is a base. At least some of you might have experienced a yellow stain of curry on your white shirt. When soap is rubbed on this, the color will change to red. This is due to the fact that turmeric turns basic solution to red. If we add some lemon juice on turmeric paper, the yellow color of the turmeric will not change as turmeric remains unaffected in acidic medium. China rose is the other name of Chinese hibiscus. It is used as an indicator. China rose indicator turns acidic solution to dark pink or magenta and basic solution to green. Let's make the solution of China rose. Collect some China rose petals and place them in a beaker. Add some warm water and keep the mixture for some time till water gets colored. This colored water can be used as an indicator. If we add some vinegar to this solution, it will turn to dark pink as vinegar contains acid. If we add some baking soda to this solution, it will change to green color as baking soda is basic. Hence, we can conclude that China rose indicator turns to dark pink on acidic medium and green in basic medium. Till now, we were learning about natural acids, bases, and indicators. You might have heard about acid rain. As the name suggests, this rain contains excess of acids. As a result of pollution, the atmosphere contains excess of carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide. When these chemicals dissolve in rainwater, they will form carbonic acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid. When carbon dioxide dissolves in rain, it will give carbonic acid. When sulfur dioxide dissolves in rain, it will give sulfuric acid. And when nitrogen dioxide dissolves in rain, it will give nitric acid. Acid rain can cause damage to buildings, monuments, plants, and animals. When this rainwater reaches water bodies, it will adversely affect the life of animals in water. Acids can be divided into two: weak acids and strong acids. Examples of weak acids are acetic acid, formic acid, tartaric acid, and citric acid. Examples of strong acids are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid. Similarly, bases are divided into two: weak bases and strong bases. Examples of weak bases are calcium hydroxide and ammonium hydroxide. Examples of strong bases are sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. Let's learn about neutralization. When an acidic solution is mixed with a basic solution, Both the solution neutralize the effect of each other. When we add acid to a base in suitable amounts, the solution will no longer be basic as the acid neutralizes the effect of base. Similarly, if base is added to an acidic solution, the solution will no longer show the effect of acid as the base neutralizes the acid. The resulting solution is neither acidic nor basic. We can better understand neutralization through an experiment. In this experiment, the indicator we use is phenolphthalein. It is a colorless indicator. It remains colorless in acidic and neutral solutions and changes to pink in basic solutions. Fill 1/4 of a test tube with dilute hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is colorless. To this, add 2 to 3 drops of colorless phenolphthalein. Shake the test tube gently. We cannot observe any color change as phenolphthalein remains colorless in acidic solution. In acidic solution, phenolphthalein remains colorless. To this acidic solution, add sodium hydroxide solution with the help of a dropper. Stir the test tube gently. We can see the color of solution gently changes into pink. Add few more drops of sodium hydroxide till the solution completely turns pink. The color change is due to the addition of a base into the solution. Sodium hydroxide is a base. Phenolphthalein gives pink color in basic solutions. Now add a few drops of hydrochloric acid again. Again the solution turns colorless. From this we can conclude that if we add acid to a base or base to acid, both the solution neutralizes the effect of each other. During neutralization reaction, heat is produced and as a result of neutralization reaction, that is when acidic and basic solutions mixed together, a new substance is formed that is called salt. The salt may be acidic, basic or neutral. Ferric chloride and zinc chloride are examples of acidic salts. Zinc hydroxychloride and copper hydroxychloride are examples of basic salts. The reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization reaction. Salt and water are produced in this reaction and there will be evolution of heat. Let's take an example. When hydrochloric acid is mixed with sodium hydroxide, we will get sodium chloride and water. This hydrochloric acid is an acid and sodium hydroxide is a base. Here, an acid and base come together and as a result of that, neutralization reaction will take place and as a result, we will get sodium chloride and water. Sodium chloride is the salt here. Now let's learn about the neutralizations that happen in everyday life. You might be aware that our stomach contains hydrochloric acid. This helps in digestion and kills the bacteria which are present in the food. But if the amount of acid becomes excess, it will lead to acidity, indigestion, etc. This condition might be painful. To treat indigestion, we are taking antacids which are basic in nature. These antacids will neutralize the effect of excess acid in our stomach. In the beginning of this session, I explained ant bite causes some burning sensation due to formic acid which is present in the mouth of ants. This effect of acid can be neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda or calamine lotion which contains zinc carbonate. Zinc carbonate is basic in nature and it will neutralize the effect of formic acid. Nowadays, fertilizers are used in fields in excessive quantity. This makes the soil acidic. Plants cannot grow well in this acidic soil. To neutralize the effect of acid, soil is treated with quicklime or slake lime, which are basic in nature. Quicklime contains calcium oxide and slaked lime contains calcium hydroxide. If the soil is too basic, that will also affect the plant growth. So to neutralize the bases, we add organic matter or compost to the soil. Organic matter releases acids that neutralize the effect of base. Nowadays, we are witnessing a large scale destruction of fishes due to the flow of factory waste into water bodies. The factory waste mainly contains acid. To neutralize the effect of these acids, basic substances are added to water bodies. That's it about acid, bases, and salt. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. If you have any query, put it in the comment box. Thank you.